Okay, hello guys. Keith here again. Okay, so in the previous video, talked about types of charts, talked about candlesticks, Henkin hash, bars, lines, and so on. Okay, so I only have 5 minutes with you to introduce this topic. By the way, this is a course and it's free. If you're watching this from YouTube, click in the link in the descriptions and enroll and start learning right away. Everything is free, certificate is free, registration is free, learning is free. If you've got a friend or a brother or a sister who would like to learn, you can share the link too and help out in this pandemic. Okay, so now let's get started. Um, in this video, just want to share with you another thing which can help you like succeed in forex trading, which is called support and resistance. The in the I think third or fourth video, I talked about indicators, and I said that indicators they help us predict what will happen in the future. Well, there's also this one which is called support and resistance. Although support and resistance not actually indicate, you can't find it here, but support and resistance is the one which you have to draw with yourself. Yeah. For this, use your own thinking, use your own mind to draw it, and everyone has their way of drawing. Okay. So let me just try to draw for you what support resistance can be like. Um. Okay, not really this. Okay. Okay. I hope you are seeing this thing. Okay. So as you can see this line, I know it's kind of bent, but just for the purpose of teaching you, I hope you understand. So what is support and resistance? Okay, support and resistance is one of the most widely used concepts in forex trading. Strangely enough, everyone seems to have their own idea of how you should measure forex support and resistance. So let's look at the basics. So by that line I've drawn, we can conclude that uh, support can be the lowest point here, and resistance is the highest point here. So this is resistance and this is support. Okay, so having said that, um, um, when the price moves up and then pulls back, the highest point reached before it is pulled back, it's now resistance. When the price continues to go up again, the lowest point reached before it started back is now support. In this way, resistance and support are continually formed as the price oscillates. So again, the same resistance can be support, again the support can be resistance as time moves by. That's what you should understand. Yeah, so this reverse is during a downtrend. So plotting the resistance and support, as I said, you have to use your own mind. Everyone has got their way of plotting it, and yeah, mine might be wrong or yours might be correct or vice versa. So anyone has got their way of plotting it, and for this, just the purpose for teaching you guys, not may not be look that accurate that much, but at least you should get the point. Yeah. Okay, so having said that, that's what support and resistance is. So why do we have to use it? Does it even matter? Does it even help us? Yes, support and resistance can help us in our trading to predict what will happen. Uh, For example, this is support, as I said there, support. When it breaks out, as you saw here on this gamma, red um, bar here coming down, when it breaks the support, we eventually know that after this, what we expect is an uptrend because it has hit the support. And again here on the resistance, when the chart hits there, eventually we'll know that okay, it has reached the highest point, and what we expect now is a downtrend because everything that goes up must come down. Should believe that everything that goes up must surely come down. Even here, we won't see a chart just going up, 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 and not going down. Everything, as long as it goes down to go up, and it goes down to do up again. So I'm running out of time. This was it. Learn more